Okay guys, let's begin with the process. First, you get 1 spoon of turmeric. You can get your turmeric in a food store shop. Then after that, you get 1 spoon of powdered milk. Okay, then after that, you get egg white 1 spoon. Egg white 1 spoon. Then after that, you get 1 spoon of liquid lemon. You can also use the fruit lemon. Anyone is okay. Then after that, you mix all together. Make sure you mix it properly. You mix it very well. Then after the mixture, you can now apply it on your face. Then leave it for like 15 to 30 minutes. Then after that, you can now wash it off with lukewarm water and pat it with a dry towel. Okay guys, thank you for watching. Please, if you haven't subscribed to this channel, please subscribe to this channel. Thank you.